Did you know that something as simple as restarting your iPhone once in a while can improve its performance and prevent common issues? Most people rarely turn their iPhones off. Some devices stay powered on for weeks or even months without a restart. While iPhones are designed to run continuously, an occasional restart can help keep things running smoothly. In this video, I will show you why restarting your iPhone regularly is important and show you how to automate the process so you never have to remember to do it manually. So why restarting your iPhone is important? As you use your iPhone, apps and system processes continuously run in the background. Sometimes these processes can get stuck or behave unexpectedly. A restart refreshes the operating system and clears many temporary software glitches that may cause apps to freeze, keyboard lag, touchscreen responsiveness issues, slow performance, and random bugs. Even though iOS does a great job managing memory, some apps may continue using resources in the background longer than necessary. Restarting your iPhone helps clear out temporary memory usage and gives the system a fresh start. It can also improve battery performance. If an app or background process is draining your iPhone's battery excessively, restarting can stop the problematic process and restore normal battery usage. While it won't magically increase battery health, it can help resolve unusual battery drain issues. A restart can also help install updates properly. Many iOS updates and app updates require a restart to fully apply changes. Restarting occasionally ensures system updates, security patches, and background services are functioning correctly. It can also improve network connectivity. Experiencing Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, AirDrop, or cellular connection problems? A quick restart often resets these services and can resolve connectivity issues without additional troubleshooting. So, how often should you restart your iPhone? There is no official recommendation from Apple, but many experts suggest restarting your iPhone once every week or two. If you notice your device becoming sluggish, overheating, or experiencing unusual bugs, a restart is one of the first troubleshooting steps you should try. Good news is that you can automate the restart process and make your iPhone automatically restart every week. Here's how to set it up. Launch the Shortcuts app and create a new shortcut. Tap on the search bar. Now tap on the automation button and then select time of the day action. Tap on time and select the time you want your iPhone to perform an automated restart. You can also tap on the arrow to select how often you want to repeat this automation. Let's select every week under repeat so this shortcut runs once a week. Next, tap on the search actions bar and type shutdown. Once shutdown action gets added, tap on it, and from the drop-down menu, select restart. Finally, hit the arrow button at the top and rename the shortcut to something like restart shortcut. You can also choose a custom icon for this shortcut. Once you're done, return to the main shortcuts page and tap on your newly created shortcut to test it out. Now every week, your iPhone should restart automatically at your chosen time of the day. Don't worry, your iPhone won't restart when you are in the middle of something. You will be asked to confirm whether you want to restart now or not. Restarting your iPhone regularly is one of the simplest ways to keep it running smoothly. It can help fix minor software glitches, improve performance, refresh system resources, and resolve connectivity problems. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more iPhone tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.